Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to add admin on your Facebook page. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to click on these three little lines on the lower right corner of your screen. And then click on Pages and click on your page. And then after you've done that, just go ahead and again click on the menu button. Once you've clicked the menu button, just go ahead and scroll down until you see Professional Dashboard and click on that. Here you want to click on Page Access. And then here you can choose if you want to add the person to people with Facebook access or people with task access. So if you want a person to have a access in all of your pages, just go ahead and click Add New on the right side of it. And then here click Next. And then search for the person that you want to add or to add as a admin on your page. And then click Give Access and your profile password. And that's it. An invitation has been sent to Sample Lauren. So you just need to wait until that person confirm or agree to your invitation. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.